What's good, YouTube?
What's happening? What's happening?
Rob and Joe Fishing is back at it again with another episode. Today we're gonna be doing kayak fishing.
Something different.
And we're gonna try to switch it up. We were kind of getting tired of doing the same thing over there at McSwain. So we're gonna go for trout still, but we're gonna kayak this part of the Merced River. I don't know exactly what area this is called, but we heard that in this specific area they tend to stock them with trout still, so they just had a stock. We're gonna hit it up and try to get something on there.
So the only thing different here is we're about to hop on a kayak, get out in the water. We only brought one fishing pole. We packed super light, so let's see how that goes. This is the river that we're going to be fishing. It is actually right before you enter the Lake McSwain area. So then we got the kayaks up on top of the Jeep ready to go. Let's get it. All right, so we don't have nothing fancy. We just got some basic angling kayaks. We went to Big 5, picked these up a couple years back. You don't need nothing fancy. The only thing that sucks now is that we gotta stretch before we go.
It's cold out here. Our muscles are cold and me and Joe are not in shape like we used to be.
You know what's bad when you have to stretch before you hop on a kayak and go fishing? We just got so spoiled with this boat fishing that I'm kind of already out of it, getting ready to, right before we're gonna launch, because my arms are already feeling tired and so is my back.
Like Joe was saying, you don't need nothing fancy. We got our kayaks here, and these type of kayaks, if you zoom in on that, Joe, they got these holes there.
They're drainage holes.
So when it's cold weather like this, water splashes up and that's pretty cold. So what we do, or what you're supposed to do, is they sell plugs and you plug those holes. But here's a little life hack here. I have some of these practice tennis balls, these practice foam tennis balls. You buy a basket of them for like $5 and you get like a whole crap load. And what you do is you just shove them right in the hole. Simple life hack there. And they'll stay in there. They won't pop out. They won't pop out. So little foam ball right there. Plug the holes. Way cheaper than buying boat plugs.
About to get up in this water now. Rob right there just scoping it out. So see what we can do here. Should be a good, nice day. We're just gonna ease in right there and start fishing out here on the water now, man. I haven't been kayaking in so long. I'm gonna feel it today, and it's really not a strenuous thing, you know. It's really not a strenuous activity, but when you're so used to fishing on a boat, this right here just gets you. I'm over here sounding overprivileged right now. Well, we're gonna get fishing. I was kind of just scoping it around right now. It actually looks pretty decent around here. So let's get it, man. I'm at least trying to catch at least 2 or 3 trout, cook them up, and call it a day. Definitely gonna catch more than Rob. That's a fact. Here we go, first cast. Quit messing around right here, go to my spot.
All right. Fish on. All right, guys, so I got a fish on already. He's swimming at me. He's swimming at me. Get ready. Get ready. Ah! Trout. Number 1, guys. That's one in the boat, in the kayak. Nice thing about these kayaks is they're flat bottom. So if you're an angler, you know flat bottoms are a must. Once you're on something and you don't have that flat bottom, kayaks rocking everywhere. Panther Martin. Yeah, Joe's over here trying to ask what I'm using, so he could. He wanted that, bro. He wanted that. Just run that through there. Come out the gill. Alright. And you got this little ring at the end. Just gonna run that through the hole like this. And there you go. Now I just put him over the side, and he's gonna stay fresh. And then when I get another one, slide him right on down.
Look at all. Check that out. I don't know if it's beaver. Let me see. Like 4 of them. I think it's beaver. Fish on! Fish on! Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Let's go. Yes! Yes. Fish on. Man, what happened was I see this rock line right here and I had to throw at it. Oh. Hey, don't you jump out. Don't you jump out. Don't you stay under my leg. This fish is under my leg right now. Golly, I don't have a net. Robert's over there with a net. I don't have a net. I thought I was gonna get skunked all day today, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna get the stringer through his mouth real quick and I'll deal with the hooks later. Oh, man. Look at that. Nice little bow. Both me and Robert are on. Like, honestly, I don't care who wins today as long as we keep catching them, man. It's gonna be a good one. Let's get it.
So Joe got one. I was gonna head on over there to help him out with a net, but he was able to get it on the kayak without one, so. He got one back in that spot that I was at, so it seems like I better go back over there, because that's the spot right now.
So I just caught a fish right now. Robert just got a fish right now. I think I'm in a money spot. But look who decided to slide through.
Hey, this was my spot first.
This was not even your spot. What are you talking about? I am getting out the water now. It was... Let's pull this in real quick. It was actually funner than I expected. You know, I haven't been kayak fishing in forever. We caught fish. It was pretty cool. Nice and relaxing, actually. My back hurts a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Robert's still out there fishing. I'm about to get this catch and cook started. Start up these coals and get it going. Pretty decent day, man. We were only out here for about an hour and a half, so not too bad. 2 fish, hour and a half. About to cook these up, eat them, call it a day. Rob and Joe fishing didn't get skunked today. Let's get it. All right, so we don't have a grill. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig a quick little hole right here, put some rocks around it, get some rocks set up, throw some charcoal in there, and start getting some stuff ready to start making a fire here. So I'm primitive right now. There. Coming along nicely there. So got that big hole in there. Got it dug out, and let's fill it with some coals. Let it soak for a bit. We're about to get on it.
Feels like a monster. Okay, he's not a monster, but better. Come on. Yes! Yes, nice one. Nice one. Yes! So I switched it up. I threw on my F7. Actually, that one wasn't even an F7 because I ran out, or I decided to use the Countdown 7 instead, the CD7, and it got me a better quality fish. The last one I had was kind of tiny. This one's a quality one.
There we go. We got that thing going.
Well, hey there, little brother. Catch anything else?
Nope, did you?
Yes, I did.
Did you?
Got me a monster. Second cast, I switched up to a CD7. Second cast, got him.
Garlic salt with parsley, some lime. That's all you need right now. Started adding a little more sticks to the fire so this can get hot because it's not too warm yet. I mean, it's warm, but it's not getting hot enough to cook yet. So should start picking up. I hear it sizzling, so this should start getting it going.
This guy's so little, I'm just gonna take his guts off and we're just gonna throw them on like that. Not gonna do much more. So I got my fillet knife here. Right up the butt, straight up, and then, ooh, slippery. So I just stick my hand in, my thumb in there like that, get more room, better grip. And up. There's the guts, so little, just grab them out like that. Done. Throw it in there for the catfish. Scrape that bloodline out with my thumb. Rinse them off. Still a little bit in there, but give them another rinse. Kayaks were in the way, so. But anyway, that's it. I'm on the grill.
All right, fish number one is done. I brought it over here to this rock. I'm gonna open this up for you guys for the reveal. Woo-wee! Oh my Lanta. Now for the taste test. To die for right there, boy. We always say this, but this fresh fish, anytime you get it, that when it's literally minutes to hours old and you clean it yourself, you do everything, it just tastes so much better. And then in an open fire, cooking it, when you cook it in an open fire, it just tastes phenomenal, man. I can't even complain.
Now I'm about to eat my little baby fish first, my little appetizer. Ooh, that smells so good. Sorry guys, sorry. I'm not one of them guys that could just grab something hot and throw it in their mouth. Oh yeah. Man. Telling you guys. One day, we're gonna bring one of you guys out here with us, and you're gonna get to taste this. This is so delicious.
Well, we're about to get in the water here in a little bit too, so we're gonna finish up this fish and get up in that water. But man, the Robin Joe dinette. Not bad at all.
Man, those fish are calling us right now.
There's fish jumping at, I mean, I know you guys can't see them, but there's fish jumping all in that water. We're about to finish eating this and fish for another maybe 20-30 minutes, and hopefully we get something else on here. We'll see you. Just got done eating. We're about to get up on here. We're gonna link our kayaks together. I'll tell you what we mean by that when we do it. I'll tell you what I mean by that when we do it right now. And Robert's changing his bait. We're about to get up. I mean, there's a ton of fish jumping right here. We're gonna fish about 30 more minutes. See if we can get something else on camera for you. We'll get back to you. Ooh, fish on. Here we go. Get on. Ah. Get your net, or actually, you got pliers on you? Hey. Mine. See? Should we put the F7 on? Stripping all kinds. So me and Robert were talking, and we're sitting in here in our little side-by-side kayaks. We're all like, dude, we should invent this. I don't know if it's already invented, but
I've never seen it.
I've never seen it either, and if it isn't, you've seen it here first on Robin Joe Fishing.
So you always see the tandem ones, but you've never seen a side-by-side.
I don't see no side-by-sides either. This might be, we might be onto something here, Rob.
Yep. You're welcome, Tesla.
But if it is invented, I don't want to feel too stupid. Drop the item below in our comments so I can Google it and take a look, because I ain't never even seen this before. Look at this. We put our kayaks together. We're drifting together. We're in the middle of the lake. Look at this. And they're just connected. We're going to make some tandem kayaks. Basically a boat, but it's basically a boat, but kayak style. Oh well. Let's fish. Look at us in a side-by-side kayak. Just like when we were in the womb. We ain't even twins, but still. This is just so cool. I'm overly blown away right now with how cool this is. Right where you're at is where I caught it. Ooh, fish on. Here we go.
Yeah,
ooh.
Putting on F7.
Here we go. Whoop. And another one. Here. I need to get this. This is fish number 3 for me and our brother tandem kayak. Or side by side, not tandem, side by side kayak. It's ended up being a pretty decent day. Golly. Hey. And Rob's gonna switch up right now too. Hey, chill. Great. They always do that.
Should have socked him in his head.
I'm sock you in your head. Alright, let's get it. That falcon runs this strip. He runs this strip and McSwain. There we go. Robert's on. Here. Where are you at?
He's swimming towards us.
All right.
Ready.
Oh. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Live action.
Give it a little Shakira.
Shakira at the Super Bowl. Rob and Joe fishing.
Filling up. Look, they're still boiling right there too.
All right, man.
Throw this one on the line.
That's going to conclude today's video. It was a great day on the water, kayaking, side-by-side kayaking, catching a bunch of trout, man. End of the day, 3-3 all across the board. Ate some fish. Good day all around.
Killed it in the last 30 minutes. We caught like 3-4 fish.
Like nothing. So, good day, man. We're going to hit this again. We're going to come out here one more time, probably later in the week, see what's up. But, man, great day. You have a good time?
Man, it was one of the best fishing trips this year so far.
Easily.
Fun, relaxing, caught fish. Did something we haven't done in forever. Like we haven't kayak fished in forever. And then to get out here and get on them like that, fun.
Good times, man. Anyways, thank you for watching another episode of Rob and Joe Fishing. I'm Rob. No, I'm not. Hold on. Thank you for watching another episode of Rob and Joe Fishing. I'm Joe.
I'm Rob.
And we'll get back to you.